Blue Book is a book where non-Tibetan supporters contribute funds for the Tibetan people's cause. This is being used for the education, health, and well-being of the Tibetans in exile. It's not like Tibetans have a green book, but for the Tibet supporters who support Tibetan cause and Tibetan people, they contribute certain amount of money, and it's called Blue Book. We need to have the full details of the people who contribute with the photograph, and they make unspecific amount of money for the Tibetan people, and then each year there is a stamp, Tibetan traditional stamp will be pasted on the Blue Book, and you can make this annual contribution, and it's being managed by the Tibetan Department of Tibetan Finance, but also locally it's being processed and it's being managed by the different offices of Tibet. So in Australia, Tibetan Information Office, we manage the Blue Book. I would like to appeal friends to make a contribution for this Blue Book. This contribution will be used for the well-being of the Tibetan people in exile, especially in India, Nepal, and Bhutan. And this will help in the preservation of Tibetan culture, Tibetan religion, at the same time also help in the health, education of the Tibetan people. So this contribution will make a difference in the development of the Tibetan community in exile, but also help in the enhancement of the cause of Tibet.